Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Hilljohn101010 from the Computer Clan on thecomputerclan.com, and I've got another old Mac demo for you. It is a PowerBook 520. Let's open it up here. Now, I know I've done a 520 demo before, but this is running an older version of the operating system and has some different software on it, so I thought it would be worth it. It is the oldest Mac OS I have here. When my System 6 disk comes for the SE, that will be the oldest. But as of right now, System 7.1.1 is the oldest, and it's what's running on this machine. So let's boot it up. There we go. Just had to change the contrast a little bit. It seemed to have lost that setting from its memory. Now I can see it. Yes, it has the ConnectX RAM doubler installed, and you can see the extensions loading in on the bottom there. And like I said, this is System 7.1.1. Now we got the desktop pattern. It's lovely. Almost done. Still loading. Alright, we got the apps folder open. And all the icons. Alright, we're good to go. Okay, so right now I'm going to close this window. And basically what I did with the Apple menu here is I put, obviously, the system profiler information is right there on top about this Macintosh. We'll actually start there. But then I have the apps folder, which is what was just open. And control panels for the settings and the Macintosh root, which is basically just the hard drive. In this old version of the software, you couldn't do submenus, so you can't just hover over a menu item and then select something from the submenu. You actually had to open it up in the Finder, which was pretty stupid, but it's old. So let's open up about this Macintosh right now. Alright, let's take a look here. Yep, 711, copyright 1983 to 1993. Total memory, we have 16,384 kilobytes. Alright. Built-in memory, 8,192 kilobytes. And yeah, there you go. Pretty simple software explanation there. Not software, hardware. I don't know where the more sophisticated system profiler is, if there even is one. I'm not sure. So now we're going to open up the apps folder. Let's go here to apps. All right, let's see what we got. We've got Desktop, Alarm Clock, Chooser, Microsoft Word, Calendar Maker, Simple Text, obviously. Notepad, obviously that's a Apple system program. Also is Chooser and Alarm Clock, Keycaps, Puzzle. Ooh, Tetris. Tetris is on here. Let's start with Tetris. Okay, let's open up Tetris. Now, for some reason, the arrow keys will not control the pieces. I think the settings may be all screwed up or something. But as you can see, there is Tetris, but I cannot control it. It does not work. All I can do is hold down space and then lose the game, as you can see. Alright, so that's Tetris. Let's quit that. What else? Oh, yes, Microsoft Word. This is version 6.0.1, I want to say. Let's see if I'm right. I don't really remember. Yes, it is. Look at that. Old splash screen right there. The system does support color, however the monitor does not. So right now it's running in color mode. You can't tell though, but it does have some more detailed shades, but they're still in black and white. Okay, so here we have a blank document. I believe if we go to the File menu, we can go to Open Recent, or not. Actually, they don't have that in here. Let's just go to the root. And the file should be in here. All files. I have no idea where the heck I saved this stupid thing, but we'll just cancel that. Maybe get it ourselves. So we'll go to the Apple menu and choose Macintosh root. And here we go, Word test. For some reason, Microsoft Word wouldn't recognize their own type of file, but I don't know what caused that to happen. So yeah, here we go. I was experimenting with the fonts. It says, hello, this is a test of Microsoft Word 6.0.1 on a PowerBook 520 running Apple System 7.1.1, and I put a little Apple logo at the bottom. So yeah, this is, Microsoft Word 6.0.1. You have all your fonts right here. You have the font sizes. You can do bold, italicized. You can select all, do center. You can do align to left, align to right, justify the margins. Just keep it on the left side. Save changes, doing Command S, or you can go to the File menu. And the part where it says About this Macintosh changes to the program you're in. So now it says About Microsoft Word, and then you can get information about Microsoft Word. For instance, it gives a copyright date here. It says 1983 to 1995. Copyright Microsoft Corporation, etc. Alright, so next here. This is pretty familiar. The app switchers in this corner. So as you can see, we can hide the application, we can hide other applications, or we can switch to another application just by selecting it from the menu. So for instance, I just switched to the Finder, but now if I go up to the app switcher, I can now choose Microsoft Word, switch right back to Microsoft Word. Alright, so let's quit Microsoft Word. Alright, we got that closed. Back in the Finder. Let's close this window. And let's see what else we got here. I didn't open up Calendar Maker, so let's see what's in there. I'm pretty sure the name is, quite self-explanatory for what it does. Alright, it looks like it's loading. There we go. Oh, cool. So we got like this. It's kind of like a archaic version of iCal, but I'm pretty sure it's by a third-party company. Let's see. About Calendar Maker. CE Software. Alright. So cool, let's quit that. Simple text basically is just a text editor. It's not a word processor like Microsoft Word is. That's just about it. I mean, there are some other things on here too. Let's mess with the control strip. If we go to the control panels, we can open up control strip. Control strip is just basically like an easy access system settings modifier. So you can simply change some settings just from the bottom of the screen. So if we turn it on here, you can see we have this bar across the bottom. So I can get simple settings like sound and sleep mode, etc. And here's one, hard disk spin down. So if I click and hold on this menu, I can select spin down internal hard disk. And now the hard drive turns off. The system is still usable, but the hard drive turns off so it's not as noisy. And there's no noise coming from it now because there's no fans in it. But if I need to do something like open up a file, the hard drive will spin back up again. So let me hide the control strip. And let me close this control panels window. So now it's going to spin the hard drive back up, and then it will hide the control strip, and then I can simply close that window. Alright, so that's about it for System 7.1.1 on the PowerBook 520. Alright, let's just shut it down. Go to the special menu and shut down. It goes really fast. Watch this. It's already done. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed.